common mistake we often make in English language. I am hearing. Are you hearing me? Ooh, I am hearing you. That's wrong. Come on. I am seeing you. Are you seeing me? I am seeing you. That's wrong. I'm understanding. Yeah. Come on, go on. I'm understanding. Nah, those are wrong sentences and mistakes we often make in English language. I am hearing you. Wrong. I am seeing you. Wrong. I am understanding you. Right. Why are they wrong? Right? Hearing is not a present continuous tense of the verb. Here, seeing is not a present continuous tense of the verb see. Understanding is not also the present continuous tense of the word understand. Hearing is a gerund. Seeing is a gerund. Understanding is a gerund. There are some verbs that when you add ing, they will never be a verb in the present continuous tense. Therefore, hearing is no longer a verb, seeing is no longer a verb, understanding is no longer a verb. They are neither gerund. So what is gerund? A gerund is a verb is a noun in a verb form. A noun in a verb form. They can also be an adjective in what? A verb form. So what is a gerund? A gerund is a noun or an adjective in what? In a verb word form. So this is a gerund. So hearing is a noun, seeing is a noun and also an adjective. Understanding is a noun and also what? An adjective. Therefore, you don't use hearing to perform an action. You don't use seeing to perform an action. You don't also use what? Understanding to perform what? Any action. You have to use them as a noun. So I am hearing is wrong. I am seeing is wrong. I'm understanding is wrong. So the right one is I can hear you. I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yeah, I can hear you. I can see you. Can you see me? Yeah, I can see you. I can understand you, or I understand you. So the correct one is I can see you, I see you. I can hear you, I hear you. I can understand you, or I understand.